Now, the key is what has happened. Now we have a downside trigger coming in. Does it mean that we collapse? No, because we had said to you that once 675 broke out, that is a monster trigger for us going into quarter one, but we're not going to go straight up from here. So we're taking a hedge down to about 670 was the low end trigger. Easily could burn through, right? It can come down to 666, find liquidity at 663, 660, who knows, right? Once the downside trigger ends, we will close our puts and we'll take our longs. But what we're looking at is some sort of retest of 670, back test it. Let's see if it's FOMC. Let's see what the AI caught. 670. Anything in this area holds, then we look for dark pools. As of right now, as of this conversation and this recording, there is no dark pools north of 675. We have an AI trigger on the monthly, the weekly, and the yearly tools that we use, but nothing in the near term, which is tradable. So what are we doing? We're going to hedge against a downside to 670 minimum. Then we'll make a decision of how low do we go. Does the market come back and back test 666? Does it come down and get liquidity and scare some folks and then go back up? Because again, the monthly and the yearly trigger are now north. So what I'm hoping for is that we get something in the 660 area, get some fear, and then get a confirmation with the dark pool and with some sort of AI trigger on the near term. But again, we're short until we get confirmation otherwise of new triggers for us. We try to be ahead of it with the momentum, but again, we do have the AI trigger on the long side for the yearly. Now, we can go down to 650, 642. The market can go anywhere and still have a long trigger. Frankly, I want to see a retest on futures under 6,600, real fear, and then take longs into February 19th, which is almost a seasonal top every single year. And we have no more low pivots this year. That means every dip is probably going to get bought. But if you like this content, subscribe, comment below if you have a particular ticker you want to hear about, or if you want to join our Discord, the link is in the description.